Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we talk about handbags and fashion, where we do unboxing and reviews. And today we are unboxing this order that I got from Temu. I placed it about 2 weeks ago and I'm really excited about it because I ordered some shoes. So I want to share these with you all. So before we get into this unboxing or unbagging, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow our channel. So, all right, so let's get into this unboxing. So the first thing I am going to share with you all is this pair of sneakers. I'm a sneakerhead, y'all. I love tennis shoes. And these, I saw them and I went, I don't have any that are this color. I've got probably about 30 pairs of sneakers. Some people would say that you're an infant. But I saw these and I said, you know what? These would be pretty cute. And they are a rose gold color with silver. And I thought, you know what? These will look really good with what I have on now, because I have on dark blue jeans and a black. And then the black and the laces would pick up with this. So these would be cute. So got these. I also ordered some loafers. Now these are, I didn't have any red loafers because I wanted to add a pop of color this spring and summer. And red is always timeless. It looks great with blue. It looks good with black. You could rock it with brown. So even though it's a bold color, if you accessorize it right, it becomes a neutral. So this is the red loafer that I ordered, and it's got, one thing I like about it is it's got grip on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about sliding, or when you're walking. With some loafers, they're smooth on the bottom, so as soon as you walk on carpet, you're slip sliding away. And yeah, these, I'm kicking off my sneaker now, you guys, to see how this fits. And it is it is a perfect fit. It's got this soft padding on the inside. So yes, my feet likes this. It likes it. So I'm going to tilt this camera down so you guys can see. I'm going to kick off my other sneaker. And I'm going to put this shoe on so you guys can see how it looks with my jeans. I know, it's a little unorthodox. But yeah, they really feel good. They're nice and comfortable. My foot is a little narrow, and these I would say they're a little wide, but with socks, even if you put on just a really thin sock, if you have a narrow foot, it will help to absorb some of the space. But I like these. I love the cushion and the grip on the bottom. Let's see. Okay, you guys could tell I was in a metallic mode. Okay, decided, because I had a pair of just plain gold sneakers at one point, and I wore those things to death. I think I wore them so much until the shoe said, you know what, we're giving up the ghost. But I ordered these, and metallics are good. I like them in the fall. I rock them in the summer. You have on an all black outfit. You have on something white. You have a solid, and it really makes that outfit pop. So the one thing about these shoes is that they do have the grip on the bottom. They do have this braid around the side, which is a little different, right? But let's give them a comfort test. I'm not lacing them. I'm just going to slide them on just to see how they fit. Come through, Temu. Yes, these things. Yes, I like these. Oh, I think she likes it. Yes, I will be rocking these. Okay, now I ordered a couple of other things as well. So we got the big things out the way. Now, I'm a game girl. I like games. I like cards. Very competitive. And I got this game. It's called Questions for Humans. And I thought this would be really fun going on a road trip with the hubby. Sometimes we have several games that are like these, that are cards where you can ask questions of each other and just find out more about each other. Just, and it's the conversation starters, right? Sometimes you're in the car and you've talked about a lot of the things you want to talk about, but just adds more conversation for the trip. Now, what's a basic fact about life you didn't learn until you were an adult? Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? And if so, why? So, like I said, they're fun. They stimulate conversation. Even if you have kids, you can play these games, ask questions with your kids, of your kids. So yeah, that's one thing I ordered. Another thing. Okay. I ordered these bracelets. Now I'm going to take them out. They are, one is gold and one is silver. Oh. Okay, let's take it out the pack. They weren't very expensive at all, but I think they're cute. This is the silver one, or the gold one. See how it's got the gold heart and it's got the link chain. Yeah, so that is cute. And with the silver one, we're gonna open this one too so you guys can see that. These were not very, like I said, they weren't, it's off of Temu, so it wasn't very expensive at all. So, but also keep in mind, because they're on Temu, these are not, let me see, I don't know how safe they are to shower in them. So it says that they're stainless steel. This is the silver one, and it's got the silver plumped heart. And yeah, so that one, this looks good with my stack, y'all. So I'm gonna put this one on right now so y'all can see how it looks on my wrist. So there we go. That looks cute. I may have to leave that on, but yeah, yep. So that's that one. Let's see what other goodies I have in my bag. And here we go. We got one more thing. Let's see. I'm going to open this for you guys. You know I have charms for my bags, right? And so I wanted a charm with the initial of my name. And no, my name is not Mershai. Mershai is a translation of my my first and middle names. Yes. So I thought this would be cute. It's actually a key ring, but I'm going to go pick a baby. If I grab this guy right here and I put this on, and no, it's CNC, but it does look cute. It adds some bling to it. If I grab my Speedy, and I would add more bling to it. So I've got some charms up on my hanger there on the wall, but I can do some things with this one. So yeah, but those are the things that I ordered from Temu. Like I said, these shoes, they were different, and I know they are loud. They're like, I'm here, she's rocking me. The goals, yeah, I'm going bold this spring and summer, y'all. And then I got the red loafers. So you know what the energy is going to be. It's going to be all about the bold in this summer. The bracelet and my initial keychain. So. And I'm going to use it as a charm. So with that said, thank you for watching this video. Please click on like and subscribe. Okay guys, a lot of you are watching the videos, but you're not subscribing. Please subscribe because that helps to grow the channel. Share this video with others so they can see some of the things that we're doing. You'll get notifications as we post our videos. I will be posting more videos. Prior to today, I was just really posting on Sundays, but I will be posting on Sunday, maybe Monday, and during the week. So I'm kind of looking at the algorithm to see what's the best day for me to post videos. So, but in any case, click on subscribe so you're notified when I am posting. So thank you for watching the video and spending time with me. And until next time, let me know in the comments what you think about the shoes. Are they a little bit too loud? Do you have metallics in your shoe closet? What do you generally wear with them to give me some inspiration? So yeah, just give me some comments because I love interacting with you all. So until the next time, peace and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.